Hi guys, welcome back to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing good in life. So starting from December 1, that is today, we would be aiming to win the December Lead Coding Challenge batch. So stay tuned with DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. So let's see the question that has come up on today's Lead Coding Challenge. That is, check if two string arrays are equivalent. The question is, given two string arrays, that is word 1 and word 2, return true if two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. A string is represented by an array if the array elements concatenate in order to form the string. It's an easy question, and I would like to explain you the question first. The question goes like this. If you're given ABC, that's an array of characters, or you can say strings, and here ABC. What you have to do is just concatenate this. Just concatenate this to ABC. You can see AB plus C, that is ABC, and you concatenate A plus BC, that is ABC. And you can see that both of the strings are equal. Hence, we will return a true. Okay. Similarly, if we concatenate, you can see here ACB, ACB, and here you concatenate ABC. You can see that they both are not equal. So return false. This is pretty much the question. So now we would see the code that makes up the question. Wait a second, just erase it. Yes, done. So let's see the code. Yep. So this is going to be the code. You can see here simply what I did is I initialized two strings. Then I traversed to each and every character of word 1, that is string of word 1, and just added it to string 1. Then each and every word or string of the word 2 vector, then added it to S2. Then I just compared if they both are equal, return true, else return false. So this is the code. I would submit it. And you can see that it worked and it got accepted. So today's LEETCODING challenge question is done by us, and stay tuned with us for future updates, for daily updates. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. With this, bye.